Hello, friends! Today we will learn about an eagle. Look carefully. This is an eagle. Eagle. The eagle is a bird. The eagle can fly high. The eagle has strong wings. Yes! Eagle. Let us say it again. Eagle. Good job. Bye-bye.